Greetings to everyone. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button. On this video, we are going to talk about the next step, the plan, the campaign of March and March of Jacinta Ngobese Zuma in regard to dealing with illegal foreigners. Please listen to the end of the video so that you can be able to get a further substantial information. Illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, be factual, and be reasonable. Fellow South Africans and anybody else who tend to be appreciating my videos. We have seen, as is on the capture, the media statement made by March and March under Jacinta that they are planning their campaign, and their campaign is aimed at going out, informing the people, especially about the section in the Constitution, which is Section 42, whereby it is illegal for someone who is a South African to keep, hire, or rent somebody who is an illegal foreigner. And based on that, March and March have decided to start a campaign to make people aware that it is legal to do so, and also to encourage South Africans to stop fellow South Africans that are hiring, that are renting, and doing anything with the illegal foreigners to be identified. And if such a South African is found, there must be criminal case opened against such a South African. And also on that, we must be aware that in the line of that, a white paper is running, which will end on the 16th of February or the 15th in regard to Immigration Act. What are the proposals that must be done in order to change the act on many things that the South Africans do not want? In regard to road accident fund being paid to foreigners, into South African children not being given priority before foreigners, in regard to the asylum seekers who's got the right to be taken as an asylum seeker, under which situation can you be a business owner in South Africa, and which people can be allowed to come and stay in South Africa, the marriage between South Africans and foreigners, and many of the issues that South Africans has brought into the table that they want the law to be changed so that it can function better. That includes the empowering or the strengthening of the border. South Africans want the borders to be tightened and more money spent in order to deal with the illegal foreigners. Now, in the interview, I don't remember or hear March and March talking or saying anything in regard to changing of the law. Now, I want South Africans to help me develop an understanding. Is it a show that March and March have no intention of having an input into changing the laws of South Africa? Is it not important that anything that we want, we must see it being done onto the law, the changing of the laws? Is it not where we'll be saying, yes, now there will not be a foreigner that will come to the clinic and then making South Africans to stay in a long queues. And then in that regard, we'll be knowing who will be held responsible, employing foreigners, etc., etc. Shouldn't we be seeing we going out to be showing that we're living in a constitutional democracy, and as a result, we must see the laws being passed that will, we going to now stand up and say, yes, we have changed the laws. Nobody that is a foreigner we're gonna see getting road accident fund and many other things that South Africans are genuinely complaining about, but we want to see the laws being changed. What do you think is the reason that March and Manch under Jacinta Ngobese Zuma are not seem interested? I might be wrong, but what do you think? Do you think it is necessary to go around and then campaigning on the streets against illegal foreigners, or we must focusing on changing the law so that we can say the law says this is wrong and this is wrong, and then there are so many things that as South Africans have been complaining that they must be changed, and then before they be changed, we have less power, because all the time, like for example, in Addington, the MEC of education will be saying no, but the law says any child must go to school. But now South Africans say, let us change the law, and then say a South African. And this thing of saying everyone, it must be saying South African. Don't we think we should be all of us focusing and saying, no, we want the law to change this way. It must be like this. What do you think about March and Jacinta not saying anything about changing the immigration law? What are they aiming to achieve? Is that the right route to go? Just campaigning, but not telling your people to say, participate. Let us see how do you go out to change these laws, because these laws in the country are wrong. What is their strategy? Are you standing with them, or with them in the way that they are going to approach? Are they not going to turn South Africans against each other in such a way that will cause an unrest? Do you see them succeeding on their recent campaign? Are we not going to see them being facing arrest to saying they are taking the law onto their own hands? What do you think is going to change and make South Africa work stronger on the illegal foreigners? Let us see what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video until the end.